Are you affirming every day but nothing seems to be changing in your 3D? Well, today I'm going to tell you exactly what you are doing wrong. Hello everyone, my name's Tessa and welcome back to my channel where I give you tips on how to actually manifest. Today I'm going to go over why your affirmations aren't working and what you need to change. I spoke a bit about this in my last video, that your life won't change simply by affirming a bunch of random affirmations every day. There's other elements involved, so let's dive a little deeper so that you can start using affirmations that will work. If you're on your journey to creating your best life, make sure to go watch my previous video on self-concept and make sure to subscribe for more videos on all things manifestation. When it comes to manifesting, the quickest way to bring in what you desire is by the feeling state, which is creating the feeling of already having your wish fulfilled. To do that, you can use several manifestation methods, affirmations being one of them. Affirmations are a great tool for manifesting and are one of my personal favorites because they can eliminate a lot of blocks at once. For example, affirmations can reprogram your thoughts, elevate your vibration, and increase your imagination all at the same time. But if you're not using the right affirmations, you can actually build up those blocks. The easiest way to know if an affirmation is working is, does it feel right now? Many of you use affirmations that are so far from where you are currently that it's not energetically a match. Let me give you an example. Say you want to affirm £1,000,000 but you have 1,000 in your account. The energetic bridge between those two types of people is like going from A to Z. And so when you affirm I have £1,000,000, straight away your body goes, no you don't. And that right there creates even more resistance. What you want to do instead is affirm an affirmation that is like going from A to B. So I have £1,000 in my bank, I can easily have 2,000. Or I know there's more money on the way. Money loves me. Those kind of affirmations are going to feel safe and attainable to your current circumstances. Building on the relationship with what you have now is going to make it so much easier for you to manifest and get you on the way to the I'm a millionaire affirmation. So next time you affirm, ask yourself, does this affirmation feel right now in my current self? And you will hear people say, be delusional, there is no limit. But whether you like this or not, right now you do have a threshold of what you believe to be true. So you need to practice on working on those smaller jumps with more believable affirmations. This is going to help you reach the feeling state because your belief system is going to be more susceptible to those desires. And that's when change will begin to happen. When you fully believe in what you affirm, your manifestation feels safe to come in. There's no doubt or fear. And your threshold will also increase along with grander affirmations. You really have to listen to your intuition when it comes to creating a new life for yourself. Take the knowledge, but apply it correctly to where you are currently in your mind and body. Affirming I'm a multi-millionaire when you don't have 1% of that actually works against you. And your affirmations don't have to be all these crazy things. Even if money loves me doesn't sit right with you, change it to I know that I can have a loving relationship with money, or every day money and I become closer. Start with what feels right. This is the thing with manifesting, is that everyone's journey is different because everyone has been brought up differently and been taught different beliefs. That's why some people can manifest really fast, because they never learned to struggle or lack. But if you have, then all these videos you watch of say this affirmation or do this method to manifest overnight won't work for you unless you're at that stage with your beliefs. So if you're right at the start of rewiring your belief system, don't worry, because I am here to help you. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Write in the comments any questions or topics that you want me to cover, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.